Welcome to Xperts Tech. In this video, I will be able to install Deepin operating system on VMware Workstation. Find below the links for downloading VMware Workstation 15 and the Deepin operating system ISO file. To find the steps to create a virtual machine for the Android emulator in VMware Workstation, click on the below link given in the description of this video. First of all, click power on this virtual machine. On the first boot, select Install Deepin. Select the installation language from the list. Select the checkbox where it says I have read and agreed to Deepin software and user license agreement, and then click Next. Friendly reminder page comes. Click Continue. To install Deepin operating system 15.11, create a new user and password and then click Next. Select your time zone. Simply click the area where you live and then click Next. Select the installation disk and click Start Installation. The actual install process will start. Prepare for the installation. Click Continue. Deepin 15.11 installation is in progress. It will take some time, so wait until the installation process completes. Deepin operating system 15.11 successfully installed. Remove the installation media before the reboot. Right-click on the installation media, click Disconnect and click Yes. Click Experience Now to reboot the virtual machine. After rebooting Deepin operating system, type your Deepin operating system password and hit Enter. Deepin will detect. You need to choose between the modes, Effect mode or Normal mode. Deepin operating system ready to use. You can see Deepin operating system's apps, and this is how the Deepin operating system home screen will appear. If you face any problem, leave your comment on the comment section. If you want to purchase this service, contact us on WhatsApp or email address. Like the video, share the video, subscribe to our channel for more solutions. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.